loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. How are you? Today we're going to be doing this beautiful mauve makeup like eyeshadow look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, let's begin. For this makeup look, we're going to be using the Making Mauves eyeshadow palette by ColourPop. It's very beautiful. It definitely is all mauve colors that you'll see here in a second. For the first step, we're going to be using this beautiful soft purple that you see here called Big Mauves. And we're going to be using a medium-sized fluffy brush, also known as a crease brush, to apply this all over the crease of our eyes. Also note that sometimes I may refer to this as the transition color, is just another word for it. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to quickly come in here and let you know, please don't hesitate to comment, comment your suggestions down below, any questions that you may have or any products that you'd like me to review. So yeah, and I'll be sure to respond. For the next step, we're going to be using this deep purple that you see here, deep mauve purple that you see here. It's called Marquee. Yes, Marquee. And we're going to be using a small rounded brush to apply this to the outer V, or the exterior part of the eyelid, as you see here. You also see me here kind of drag it in a bit more towards like the middle part of the eyelid. It's just to make sure that I can blend it out with the other colors that we're going to be applying. Quickly wanted to let you guys know, here you see me using like the back part, or the back part of my falsies eyelashes. Really, I'm just using it's really more like cardstock paper. You can use like a note card, an envelope, whatever it is that you have, fold it in half. I just hold it underneath my eyelid as I'm applying eyeshadow, because for me, I tend to apply my eyeshadow after I've already applied my foundation. So this helps me collect the fallout, should there be any, and let me tell you, there always is, regardless. So yeah, this is just a quick tip. For the next step, ladies and gentlemen, you already know it's time to blend. Again, I mean, not really again, but if you've watched one of my videos, then you know that blending is key. This is probably the most important step, I think, in any eyeshadow look. You don't want your makeup to look choppy. You want it to look well blended and smooth together. In this case, I'm using the same medium-sized fluffy brush, again, also known as a crease brush, to blend Big Mauves and Marquee together. Now for the third step, we're going to be applying this beautiful, shimmery, soft mauve color called Mauve on Top. I guess they're using play on words, so it's not mauve on top. And we're going to be using a small flat brush to apply this all over the main part of our eyelids. So from the inner corner to about a little more than halfway, as you see here. Quick note, you do not need any sort of setting spray. I usually do use setting spray for the main color that I apply on the center part of my lids, but with ColourPop eyeshadow palettes, it's really not necessary at all. The colors are beautiful and pigmented, so just as you see it on the palette is exactly how it's going to apply onto your eye. you already know. Blend, blend, blend. Look, I'm not going to say it again. I don't care how long it takes you, whether it's 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but please do not skip this step. Here, I'm blending the 3 colors together, so mauve on top, big moves, and marquee. Last but not least, we're going to be applying the same colors on the lower lash line. So for me, sometimes I tend to do just the main color. So you could, if you really wanted to just keep to one color, you could just do mauve on top. But in this case, I'm doing to the lower lash line what I did on the top. So from the outer corner to about the middle part of my lower lash line, I'm using marquee. And then from the inner corner to the middle part of my lower lash line, I'm using mauve on top. And for both applications, I use the same brushes that I used before. So for marquee, I'm using the small rounded brush, and for mauve on top, make sure you use the tip of the brush. And this is the final look, ladies and gentlemen, with eyelashes, with eyebrows, with everything. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget, like I said, to comment any questions, comments, or suggestions that you may have. Please do not hesitate to hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Lots of kisses. Take care. Bye.